Welcome back, continuing the news. To the story now that has many talking. A dog, affectionately known as Babes, was given quite the send-off by her owner, Peter Perry, earlier this week. The details in this report.
It was a send-off fit for a queen. In this casket was a female dog affectionately known in Job, Lynn, and Catherine as Babes. Like the pink casket, she was dressed in pink for her heavenly send-off at Perry's funeral home. In fact, this has been her home for the past 20 years. And so, CEO Peter Perry thought it fitting that Babes, the dog, had a proper burial. First, the tributes.
Is the sweetest and nicest dog I've ever met. And because of Babes, I went and got a dog. Babes is this type of dog who, if she don't like you, she give you a dirty look. But you see, friend, she love you, she run come to you and she will look at you all the way.
Me can't say so no. And buy a bucket of KFC chicken and put it on ground. And all of the dogs them out there so. And Babes sit down there so, Babes just go. And me can walk around the front and come back and the bucket of chicken still they tell me she get them.
Remembrance in song by Glenn Washington.
It's my tribute to Babes. One of these fine days, we're gonna meet again. There won't be no denomination. One of these days, we will meet again with people from different nations. One of these fine days.
And finally, the sermon.
And so it says, a righteous man regarded the life of his beast, but the tender mercies of the wicked are cruel. Now turn to the man and say, neighbor. Say, neighbor, if you ever kick a dog, you're wicked. If you lick down a dog, you're wicked. But if you love a dog, Mr. Perry love a dog, so till the amount of time Mr. Perry buy KFC and give a dog, they may never give me so yet.
After Babes the dog was buried, the repast, with the traditional Manish water and the dog's favorite, KFC. A fitting celebration for the life of one man's best friend. Carrie Simpson, TVJ News.